One of the biggest topics from the task force briefing yesterday, as Emerald was just talking about, sunlight, humidity, the importance of it in killing the virus. The scientists got on there and talked about it, showed a study. And we get more of that as we move into summer. Should we be outside more when it starts to warm up?
Yeah, thanks for having me on. So that's a really great question, and what that study really showed was being out, being in the sun, it kills the virus in its airborne state. Now, whether or not that actually is beneficial for us when we're infected, we're going to have to try that out. We're going to see as that plays itself out. But what we do know is it definitely reduces the amount of virus that is able to live in its airborne state when it's out of the body. So we're going to see that effect as we move into summer. We hope so. Are we going to want to be outside? Absolutely. Is it going to be helpful for transmission? Probably, but we're going to still have to use that social distancing as well.
Yeah. Also, Dr. William Bryan of DHS spoke about cleaning product last night and testing it. Take a listen to this.
We're also testing disinfectants readily available. We've tested bleach. We've tested isopropyl alcohol on the virus, specifically in saliva or in respiratory fluids. And I can tell you that bleach will kill the virus in 5 minutes. Isopropyl alcohol will kill the virus in 30 seconds. And that's with no manipulation, no rubbing, just spraying it on and leaving it go.
If we remember, we showed video in China of them spraying out of huge trucks here. Should we be spraying everything with a bleach mixture or on things that we possibly can without harming anyone?
Well, we definitely know that we should be cleaning better than maybe before, right? So I think that was one of the great things that's happened with this is we all a little more conscientious of washing our hands and cleaning surfaces. So should we be cleaning surfaces more? Absolutely. Should we be going around with big trucks spraying? That's sort of a different scenario because we're not the same as China, and we're not even the same as most places like New York is different than most places in the country where the population density and the building density is totally different. I just don't think that we're going to see as effective treatment if we're going around spraying big trucks. But the idea, the concept of using isopropyl alcohol and chlorine, those type of things is really something that we need to be paying attention to and using it in our homes, using in our businesses, and using on moderate to large scales.
Also, this human trials are underway here in Europe for possible vaccines. Some 800 people are being used for this. How promising is this? This can be a great thing if you hear that a vaccine trial is already happening among humans here, but are we still a long way out?
We still are a long ways out. That trial is set to be able to use 800 individuals. They've only injected 2 people at this point, and the study is going to be at least 6 weeks to be able to get the data, and then we're going to have to process the data. We're still a ways out from getting the vaccine, but it's very promising and very exciting to know that we've got multiple pathways, multiple avenues to be able to get us a vaccine.
All right, Dr. Jonathan Baugh, thank you, sir. Stay safe. We'll talk to you in the next hour. Appreciate it. I'm going to bring in now Nan Hayworth,